Welcome to the rainy day cookie challenge. Over here we have sunflower butter, oatmeal, applesauce, chocolate chips and sugar.
And a spatula.
And a KitchenAid. Over here we have oatmeal, applesauce, cocoa almond spread, white chocolate chips and sugar. And a food processor. No flour, no eggs.
All natural.
Cookie challenge, begin. Over here, we're going to be adding our ingredients. No particular method here, just dumping it all in. Use a spatula if you need to, not your finger. Oh, Charlotte, nice technique. I like that. Using the spatula.
That's the good kush right there.
Okay. Next, going for the butters. Sunflower butter over here. That's it. Get it all in there. Charlotte's was not as loose, so we added in some grapeseed oil. That's it. Charlotte's going for the sugar now. Julia's still working on her sunflower butter. Okay. Notice how quickly this process is going. We're going to save the chocolate chips for after we pulse it a few times. So try and get the lid on. Let you work with that while Julia moves
really
on.
Sticky.
Yep, okay. You want to use this spatula?
Yes.
Yeah, there you go. All right, good job, Charlotte. Now we just lock it. That's it. Now hit the pulse button. Pulse, pulse. Good, it's looking nicely mixed. Keep going, because that's it. Okay, stop. Good. Now you're going to use your spatula. You can take the lid off and add in your white chocolate chips and stir. Julia, got the sugar in. All right, now you need to put your paddle on. Yep. That's it. Oh, Charlotte put her white chocolate chips in. Now you can pulse it if you want, or stir it with the spatula. You decide. All right, now you just mix yours up. You raised it? Mm-hmm. Okay. It shouldn't take long. Look at that. So I think it's mixed already.
Yeah, right.
Now you can add your chocolate chips in and use the paddle to mix.
Okay.
You decided to do the pulsing?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I wouldn't do it too much more. All right, take the top off and scrape down the sides, and then you can start forming.
Can I do one more?
Yeah, do one more. Yeah, you're the boss. It's your cookies. You decided to mix with the paddle. Looks well blended. This looks nice. All right, now we can start making the cookies.
Yeah.
What are you waiting for, Charlotte? Let's go. Time's ticking. We're trying to do this really efficiently, right?
How much do you want in each cookie?
That's up to you. You want to use a spoon?
Yes, please.
You want to use a spoon to drop them? You want to do dropped cookies?
Yeah.
Spoon. Spoon.
Gracias.
What, this? I'll put it in the sink for you.
Thank you. Yeah.
This is live action here. No commercial breaks. Straight in. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, let's do it like this. You can make them as big or small as you want. We have no idea how this is going to turn out. Leave room for spreading, Charlotte, okay? So that's really close to the edge. Try and put it inside the brown. Julia's got some nice spacing. I would only do 4 per row. It's my recommendation.
Good idea.
I have a little bit of experience. Not with this particular cookie batter, but I'm really impressed with how quickly this is going.
That's just hope they don't crumble.
Well, we have no way of knowing. This is a cookie challenge using no flour, no eggs. some items already in the pantry. Will they look good? Will they taste good? Charlotte's going big.
Really big.
You can use a spatula. If you keep whipping your spoon like that, it might go flying off, and then you're gonna have to clean the kitchen.
Oh no.
I'm a little bit worried that yours might run together, Charlotte, but keep going. They're looking very loose. Julia's are looking a little bit more stiff. Yeah, it could be a good thing. I don't know.
Butter for the
Come on, girls, get it on the tray so we can get it in the oven. Let's go. Look, I'm gonna miss this phone call. All right, into the oven.
Okie dokie.
Bring it over, Jules. Get it in the oven. All right, put it in, and let's set a timer for 10 minutes. We'll come back. Charlotte, let's put yours, no, put your tray onto the other sheet pan. Double sheet tray yours, because yours is going to go on the bottom of the middle racks. Let's get them in at the same time so we can see.
Here?
Yep. All right, we'll be back in 10 minutes. Let you know how it turned out. Close the door, please. Thank you. Okay, so we took the cookies out of the oven and we let them cool for 5 minutes, and now it's a taste test. And the great thing about this, go ahead girls, have your cookies. The great thing about this dough is there's no raw egg. So whether you bake it or whether you don't bake it.
These are really soft.
These are really crumbly.
Chewy, crumbly. They don't have to be baked all the way. They don't have to be baked at all. How do they taste though?
No, like, the oatmeal adds a nice texture to it.
Yeah.
What do you think about the sunflower butter? The recipe did call for peanut butter, but we're a peanut-free household, so...
The sunflower butter, I think that's what helped, like, and the applesauce combined, I think that's what helped makes it soft. It's like a really good combination.
And how does it taste?
I think it tastes really good. And with the chocolate chips, it looks hardish, but it kind of just melts into it whilst you're eating it. Like, it's so soft, it looks whole, but it's actually like...
It's like melting.
Yeah.
The great thing about these ingredients also is that you could have these cookies for breakfast because it's just applesauce, oatmeal, a couple of chocolate chips, and some nut butter.
And it's pretty much healthy.
Pretty much.
Pretty much.
All right. Well, you heard it here, folks. Thanks for watching Coggin's Kitchen.
Thank you. Bye.